Welcome to the final drive. It's the final drive of my beloved Integra Type R JDM right-hand drive. This car has been a dream. This car has been long awaited, but like they say, all good things must come to an end. And sometimes it's just not good that we meet our hero. And I finally was able to meet my hero, the Integra Type R. But, it's been bittersweet. It's been fun. But it's time to move on. So welcome to the final drive. That was a blast. That was thrilling. But at the end of the day, they're all just a grocery getter, and my chickens must eat. Thank you for watching, guys. Catch you on the next one.